Dear students, welcome you all to session 3 video of Cost and Management Accounting 3rd semester BCom. In session 2 of chapter 1, we had discussed about the limitations of financial accounting. We know that financial accounting is concerned with record keeping, which is directed towards the preparation of trading and profit and loss account. The information provided by these statements are general in nature, which does not aid the managers in decision making. In this session, let us understand the basic terms like cost, costing, cost accounting, cost accountancy, management accounting, and also the objectives of cost accounting. Cost. Cost is the amount of expenditure which is incurred or which is attributable to a specified article, product, or activity. Now, when you are buying any item, you pay an amount, isn't it? That is the cost incurred by you. It is nothing but the resources which you have sacrificed in order to attain that product. For example, you are buying a pen for rupees 10. So what you are doing? You are sacrificing 10 rupees in order to get that pen. So the cost for you is rupees 10. So cost is the amount of expenditure incurred for manufacturing a product or for rendering a service. So these are the resources which we are used in production or for rendering services are being expressed in monetary terms. So cost is defined as a measurement in monetary terms of the amount of resources which are used for the purpose of production of goods or rendering of services. Next term is costing. Costing is the process of determining the cost of doing something, that is, manufacturing an article or rendering a service or performing a function. Costing is defined as the technique and the process of ascertaining cost. So it means the principles as well as the rules which are used in order to find out the cost of a product or service. Next term is cost accounting. Accounting, we know, it's the process of recording, classifying, summarizing the business transaction and interpreting the results of these transactions. So cost accounting deals with the recording, classifying, allocating and summarizing and reporting the current and the prospective cost. So here we need to understand that it's not only about the current cost but also about the prospective or future cost. So cost accounting is the application of accounting and the costing principles, methods and techniques in the ascertainment of cost and the analysis of savings or excesses as compared with the previous experience or with the standards, which means that cost accounting is the process of applying accounting principles, techniques, methods as well as costing principles, methods and techniques in order to find out the cost and also for analyzing the cost comparing with the standards which is already set up by the organization. So cost accounting, we can say that it's a formal system of accounting which is used for recording, analyzing the cost as well as for analyzing the profitability and performance of different departments or products, etc. Next we'll see what is cost accountancy. Cost accountancy is a broader term which includes costing, cost accounting and cost control. Costing is the ascertainment of cost. Cost accounting is the recording and the reporting of the cost data. Cost control is the regulation of cost. So all these aspects are involved in cost accountancy. That is, it includes costing, cost accounting and cost control. So cost accountancy is the process of applying the costing and cost accounting principles, methods and techniques to the science, art and practice of cost control and the ascertainment of profitability. It includes the presentation of information for the purpose of managerial decision makings. So the techniques and the process consist of body of principles or rules which are scientific in nature. So it is being used for the purpose of cost control by the managers. So the information is presented to the managers for the purpose of managerial decision making. So cost accountancy includes all the aspects of costing, cost accounting and cost control. The next term which you are going to see is management accounting. It's actually an accounting system that provides sufficient information for managerial decision making. So it is the process of applying the professional knowledge and skill in preparing the accounting information in such a way to assist the management in the formulation of policies as well as for planning and control of the operations. So applying the knowledge and skill in preparing the accounting information in such a way that the managers can formulate the policies as well as take decisions based on the information which is being supplied. That is aiding the managers in their decision making. Now, let us look into the objectives of cost accounting. The various important aims or objectives of cost accounting are the first one is ascertainment of cost or the determination of cost. The primary objective of cost accounting is the determination of the cost. Cost determination means collecting the cost information, classifying this information, analyzing it and allocating the cost information based on various parameters. So the first important objective of cost accounting is to find out the cost or to determine or ascertain the cost. Price fixation or fixation of price is another objective of cost accounting. Price of product is actually determined using the market forces, that is demand and supply, but also the cost accounting information is being used as a basis for fixing the price. Cost control is another objective of cost accounting. Now we all know that any organization to be competitive in market must have a cost leadership. That is, they must be in a position to produce quality goods at the lowest possible price. So cost accounting provides useful data of cost of different products or services or departments. The actual cost can be compared with the standard set and the performance can be evaluated. In this way, cost can be controlled. Another objective of cost accounting is decision making. Cost accounting really helps the managers in decision making by providing the relevant information. Next objective is the ascertainment of profitability and efficiency. Cost accounting aims at finding out the profitability as well as the efficiency of different products or jobs or operations. So these are the main objectives of cost accounting. Thank you.